Dear student, today my topic is rhombus. It is a geometrical figure. Let's understand about a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the sides are of equal length is called a rhombus. In this given figure, ABCD is a rhombus because AB parallel DC, AD parallel BC and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, right? Now we going to understand about a properties of rhombus. Properties of rhombus. All its sides are equal. Its opposite sides are parallel. Its opposite angles are equal. Its diagonal bisect each other at right angles, right? Thus, in rhombus ABCD, we have AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. AB parallel DC and AD parallel BC. OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB, where O is the point of intersection of diagonal AC and BD. Now, here angle AOD is equal to angle DOC is equal to angle COB is equal to angle BOA is equal to 90 degrees, right?